The video explores the implications of the economic embargo on Cuba, analyzing its profound effects on the nation's economy and standing in the global arena. Ending this embargo could significantly reshape Cuba's international relationships and enhance its trade opportunities. Furthermore, the geopolitical significance of Cuba is highlighted due to its proximity to the United States and strategic importance within the Caribbean. This dynamic positions the embargo as a pivotal issue in the realm of international relations. To understand the current tensions, one must recognize the historical context that underpins the strained US Cuba relationship. This complex history, marked by conflicts and colonial legacies, continues to influence diplomatic interactions today. The 1901 Platt Amendment permitted US intervention in Cuban affairs, which eroded Cuba's autonomy and created a lasting dependency on American policies. This set the stage for ongoing conflict and intervention. The US's support for military dictator Fulgencio Batista underscored America's strategic interests in Cuba, particularly in the oil and sugar sectors. This alignment with commercial interests further complicated the political landscape. As internal unrest grew in Cuba, largely influenced by American interventions, the revolution became inevitable. This period illuminated the intricate and often adversarial relationship between Cuba and the United States. Fidel Castro's leadership during the 1959 revolution was instrumental in redefining Cuba's trajectory. His policies represented a stark departure from Batista's pro-US regime. The Soviet Union's involvement in Cuba's political landscape further escalated tensions with the United States. This foreign influence played a significant role in shaping the Cold War dynamics in the region. One of the outcomes of the revolution was the potential establishment of a stronger communist presence in Latin America, a shift that would have fundamentally altered U.S. foreign policy approaches. The discovery of missile development in Cuba, supported by the Soviet Union, prompted critical evaluations of national security within the U.S. This revelation led to urgent discussions among government officials. Under Fidel Castro's regime, Cuba posed a direct threat to the U.S., with capabilities to target major cities such as New York and Los Angeles with missiles. This heightened the need for urgent diplomatic negotiations. Following 13 to 14 days of intense negotiations, a settlement was reached between the Soviet Union and the US, averting military confrontation. This resolution marked a significant turning point in Cold War history. The Obama administration sought to normalize relations with Cuba, implementing measures to ease travel restrictions and lift some economic sanctions. This represented a notable shift in US policy towards the island. However, the Trump administration reversed many of these policies, reinstating stricter measures that further strained US-Cuba relations and exacerbated the economic challenges faced by Cuba. Currently, the Biden administration confronts ongoing difficulties with Cuba as relations remain tense, and economic sanctions continue to hinder diplomatic efforts, complicating the path forward.